Okay, I just wanted to go over some of the ins and outs of the MrCross.org website, along with the MrCross.org online classroom, and kind of show you how they work and how they're the same and how they're different. First of all, click on an Internet Explorer window, and then you're going to type in the address of http MrCross.org. Now, when you get there, this is a blog-style website that is basically here to show you the videos, show you what we're working on in class, what to do. It allows you to subscribe to the different feeds that might have information on them that I keep posted all the time. And a lot of students like to keep track of this stuff longer than just their class, because sometimes there's little tips or tricks that even students show me that I post on here, and you might get to see some cool stuff. So just an idea. I have the Facebook, so you can add me to the Facebook. The MrCross.org Facebook is just a page, and the only thing that really gets posted on the MrCross.org Facebook is new video tutorials, homework assignments, things like that. It gets posted to Facebook, so if you friend me, you'll be able to see those things, and you'll be able to do them as well. There's a MrCross.org YouTube video. You won't be able to see that at Elizabeth High School, but you can be able to see that at home, other places. And basically, it's just an entire site of all of the different videos that I create to show you how to do things with technology. There is a MrCross.org Twitter. The Twitter is just going to basically be small updates about what's going on. I use the Twitter to post to the homepage of this website and do some other things just to say what's kind of going on. That'll also update on Facebook. So if you're a subscriber to Facebook, you'll also see the Twitter. And I am also on iTunes, so the iTunes University. You can go in there and you can actually subscribe to the podcast. So if you want to have all of the video tutorials just go right to your iPod, you can do that by going to iTunes and subscribing to the MrCross.org podcast. So any of those links will help you with that. Now, when you come to class and you go to MrCross.org, which is the first thing that you're always going to do, you need to select which class you're in. So let's say you're in Computer Applications 1, you would click on Computer Applications 1. When you do, you will get information about what we're doing that day, or in this case, there's some tutorial videos. You can actually click play to watch any of those tutorial videos, and it'll open, or it should, and it'll look something like this. The tutorial videos will show you how to do particular functions. Usually it's the stuff related to what we're doing in class that day. So kind of a helpful thing. It shows you kind of what we're doing, how to do it, and gives you kind of a jump start on your learning. The other part of MrCross.org that is a major part of it is the online classroom. I have a set of links right here, and one of them is for the online classroom. And when you click on that, it is going to take you to a completely new page. Give it a second here to load. It will look something like this for you, except it'll probably have a login screen. And then once you log in, it'll only give you one class. For me, I have all of the classes that I teach. You will only see one of these classes. When you click on one of the classes, your class, there's going to be a complete list of all the different assignments that we're working on that day, or for that week, or for that entire semester. Okay, so this, for instance, is for the week of January 3rd through January 9th. These will be the things that we're covering in classes. These are the corresponding videos. And these little guys right here are the assignments. Now, when you click on an assignment, it'll tell you what you should learn. It'll tell you what you're supposed to be completing. And at the very bottom here, it will have a place for you to upload the file. When you complete the project, there's usually some sort of a file that's created. That file needs to be saved and uploaded to the MrCross.org website. Okay? Once it's uploaded to the website, then I'm able to grade it, and you will be able to actually see what your grade was on the project and see how you did immediately. And it usually takes me 1 to 2 days to get everything updated and into the system. So that's one way that you can kind of tell how your grade's going. Now, the other thing is on the original Mr. Cross website. Let's get back out of here. I also have the link to the Student Infinite Campus. That can also be found on the Elizabeth High School link, which is also here. Under the Student Infinite Campus section, you can find your grades and your assignments there as well. So there's many different ways for you to actually see what's going on at the classroom at any time. If you do need to contact me, you can click on the contact link, and you can get a hold of me that way as well. Okay? my goal with this whole entire website is to be completely transparent. You should at any time know what your grades are, know what you're working on, know what the projects are, know how to do them. Everything is right there out in the open, and you should have no problem completing the work and turning it into me. So, I hope you enjoyed this brief little tutorial on the MrCross.org websites, and I will see you in class.